All right, today's project, we'll see how this goes. First, I'm going to run a 12-volt cigarette adapter from the battery all the way to the back, and I'm going to install it right here because I have a Sport and I don't have any power back here. Now I have something really cool. Let me put on pause real quick and I'm going to show you what I got. Hold on. Alright, so what I've been using is I found this really cool thing. Since I have the all-wheel drive, I have the 7-pin in the back. So I found this on Amazon. It's got a 4-pin converter, but also a 12-volt. The only thing is you have to have the engine running to get power here. Or I tried an accessory mode. I don't think it worked. But what I want to do is I want to do pure power straight back to here so that I can charge stuff. Now the other project that I have going on today is, since I worked for Honda, I went and bought 2 of the exciters. Now these I think are 70 bucks a pop, so I got them just for a test, and I'm going to hook up a Bluetooth amplifier, which I have in this box. I'll show you in a second. I'm going to take this off and see if I can install the exciters right back here. And what the exciters do is it uses the composite material as the actual cone of the speaker. And then these guys have the actual magnet in here that creates the vibrations. And that's how the embed audio works. So basically we're going to install embed audio today and see if it'll work. This is the cool little Bluetooth amp that I got. And I've already hooked it up. It actually works pretty good. You got bass and treble. You have your volume. You can control it all from your phone. You have audio inputs as well if you want to hook something up directly into it. Also, you have an SD card and a USB, so if you want to put music on a flash drive. Not sure where I'm going to mount this yet. I think I'm going to put it in the trunk because as you can see, it doesn't fit inside, the little box there. So, all right, here we go. All right, all you're going to need to take the side panel of the composite material off is a Phillips head screwdriver, a T30 and a T45. All right, I'm pretty excited because I thought when I would take this off that there'd be no screw holes in it, just kind of how the Honda Ridgeline, they have a couple different headlights, because I've tried to put the LED lights, daytime running lights in it, but it never worked. But when I took this off, let me unplug this real quick. I think I'm hung up back here. But when I took that off, check it out. They're there. So all I have to do is find a screw or a bolt. Let's see if I can get that on there. Voila. Check that out. That goes right in there like that. And right there in like that. And all I have to do is wire it up. So I'm pretty excited. So I got a little nervous because as you guys saw me put that on there like that, well, they actually flip this way. So I thought they were like a right and left because these holes didn't line up. Yeah, they actually go that way. Now the holes line up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect these plugs and then just solder them up directly.
A few moments later.
Well, it worked, but it's not how I wanted it. I still have a lot of installation cleaning to do, but there you go. And I have to talk over the music because of copyright. But the 2 speakers, I just got them run in parallel. And we're hooked up to this little guy here. Links in the description at the bottom of here. But what's cool with this is it's got Bluetooth. It's got line in. It's got
Talk about those next week. 288 EWTN.
And then you can program them in here. Everything is always commercial. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Then we can go back to Bluetooth, and you can hit play on that, and it actually works. So it's not too loud. I know a lot of people say that the embed audio is not that loud, but for camping out in the woods where there's nothing going on. It's perfectly good sound for me. It also has a pretty good bass in it, so like you looked at the beginning of the video, I don't show the backside because I had to go get bolts and stuff, but they're right here. You can feel them working. So putting everything back together, I still have to wire up the power for the amp, but on a scale of the work versus what you get in return, I'd put it at about a 7.5, maybe an 8. So I thought it would be, I don't know, more ambient sound, I guess you could say. It's kind of mid-tones. There is some bass and you get a little tweeter in there. So, I mean, it's okay. It sounds better, put it this way, it sounds better than one of those little Bluetooth speakers. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Got any questions, put them in the comments. I'll try to help out. Also in this video, I'm going to have a couple parts to show you guys what it looks like without the composite coverings on here. Alright, have a good day. Thanks for checking it out. Like and subscribe. Hey, did you ever want to see what it looks like when you take the sides off in your Gen 2 Honda Ridgeline? That's what it looks like.